What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to assign multiple people to tasks in Monday.com. Open your board and look for the person column. If you do not have that, select the plus sign in the right corner, then type in people. Once you have it, then simply select it and it will be added to your task. To add people, select the task that you would like to add people to. So I want to add people to YouTube scripts. So I will then click the person icon. I will then select Kyle Middleton. And if I want to add more people, I will go back and click it and then select invite a new member by email, or if they're already on your team, they will appear here. Now everyone assigned can collaborate on that task. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.